Hello and welcome back to our Learn HTML5 for Beginners. In this video, we are going to talk about text formatting in HTML. We will explore the fundamental aspect of HTML text formatting. Text formatting allows us to style and emphasize content on our web pages. You have probably seen a beautiful formatted text on web pages and wondered, how did they do this? Well, today, we will unveil the secret. Let's start with the strong tag. This tag is your go-to for making text bold. It's like giving your words a strong emphasis, saying pay attention. But what if you wanted a way to emphasize your text without making it bold? That's where the EM tag comes in. It's like adding an emphasis on your word. The EM tag is perfect for making a text italic or adding a touch of style to your content. It's like saying this is important but in a different way. Do you want to strike a text to show that it is no more relevant? In that case, the S tag is your friend. It's like crossing out your word to say this is outdated. And when you want to highlight text as if it's been marked with a highlighter, we've got the mark tag. It's like saying this part is super important. These are just a few of many options in HTML. They allow you to convey your message effectively and make your content visually appealing. By the end of this tutorial, you not only know how to use HTML formatting tags, but also how to combine them creatively to style your own text. The great thing about HTML is that it gives you the power to bring your content to life, and text formatting is just the beginning. All you need to get started is just a text editor and the web browser. You can experiment with different formatting options and see how to transform your content. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell below to stay updated with our crash course. I can't wait to see you in our next episode where we'll continue our journey through HTML5 for beginners. Until then, happy coding. Thank you for joining us today. Keep coding, keep experimenting, and keep learning.